In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an image into vector in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know how to convert a pixel-based image into clean, scalable vector shapes using Affinity's built-in tracing tools. This is perfect for logos, icons, and artwork you want to resize without losing quality. Make sure your image is on the canvas and selected so the tools we're about to use apply to the right layer. Start by heading to the top of the interface and clicking Vector. This brings up the vector-focused options you need for tracing. You'll know you're in the right place if you see controls related to converting raster images into vector paths. If your workspace looks different, double-check that your image layer is selected and you're using a recent version of Affinity Designer that includes tracing. Next, click Image Trace. This tells Affinity to analyze the pixels in your image and prepare a vector version. You'll typically see a live or quick preview, which is really helpful for dialing in the look before committing. High contrast images like simple logos or line art usually trace quickly and cleanly. Photos and textured artwork can still be traced, but they may need more careful adjustments. Now it's time to fine-tune the result by adjusting the edge threshold and curve tolerance sliders. Edge threshold controls how aggressively the trace finds edges in your image. A lower threshold favors only the most obvious edges, which keeps the vector simple but might miss fine details. A higher threshold captures more detail, but it can also introduce extra little shapes or noise. Curve tolerance determines how smooth the resulting curves are. Lower tolerance preserves more of the original wiggles and corners, great for precise line art. Higher tolerance simplifies the curves, which can clean up jittery outlines but may round off sharp details. Move each slider gradually and watch the preview. If thin lines are disappearing, nudge the threshold up. If you're seeing lumpy or jagged edges, bring the curve tolerance higher to smooth them out. Zoom in on critical areas like corners and text to judge the quality before you finalize. When you're happy with the preview, click Apply. Affinity Designer will convert the traced result into editable vector shapes. You can scale them up for print or down for icons without any pixelation, and you'll be able to adjust nodes, change colors, and refine paths as needed. If the outcome isn't what you expected, simply undo and revisit the sliders. Small tweaks often make a big difference. With that, you've turned your image into a vector quickly and cleanly in Affinity Designer.